Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Twitter lag on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone. If you want to fix this problem, so reset all settings. Click on Reset and enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on Settings app, click on My phone, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix tutor lag on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.